Cookies have been the trusted foundation for analytics and reporting since the dawn of digital marketing. But with recent announcements on third-party cookies from Google, it's clear that foundation is starting to crack. For us, the cookie crumbled a long time ago. And not just third-party, first-party too, the kind used by your web analytics today. The reality is, first-party cookies do a poor job of tracking customer journeys. But why? Cookies are deterministic. They act as a store of an ID, but they are siloed in an application on a device. By analyzing the clickstream of client websites, we discovered that on average only 20% of web analytics show complete visits for a unique user. So essentially, 80% is inaccurate, broken data. That's because customer journeys are complex and siloed. Each silo has its own method of measurement, all of which is invisible to the first-party cookie. We learned that by replacing the cookie with AI and machine learning, you can stitch together each touchpoint made across the varying channels and devices a person engages with to create a complete, true engagement picture of any user. The result? A better understanding of the overall customer journey and the impact every touchpoint has on the end conversion, so you can make better budget decisions to improve ROI. Our proprietary zero-cookie solution, Corvidae, uses predictive analytics to fill the first-party gap. Our patented approach to attribution uses advanced AI to generate a contribution value for every interaction as an individual. So, swap broken data and outdated models for AI-driven cookie-free attribution with Corvidae to truly understand what works and what doesn't in your marketing strategy. Contact us today to learn more about Corvidae.